Hi there, everybody. Hope you're doing great wherever you are in this world. Well, you're watching this beautiful running water, this beautiful river. It's clean. You can hear the sound of water. But there is something that I would like to draw your attention to. Check this out and compare yourself. This is a water bottle, plastic water bottle, a disposable glass, plastic bags. As you can see, some people actually do not respect nature. They leave their garbage in nature. Do not leave your garbage in nature. Take them with you. We are responsible for nature, so we will do everything in our power to keep it clean, to preserve it. Compare yourself. Which one is better, this one or this one?